So in this Seeking Alpha tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to find tech stocks to invest in here on Seeking Alpha. So once Seeking Alpha is opened up, I want you to go to the top left, press on the arrow right here, then go down towards the says stock analysis, and then press on stock ideas. Now, if you're looking for tech stocks to invest in specifically, simply just go down to where it says analysis right here, and then scroll down all the way to where it says tech stocks. So tech right here, go ahead and press on tech. Now once you're here, it'll say the latest tech stock analysis. So you can go down, do a bunch of different research relating to a bunch of different articles that talk about a variety of different tech stocks. So if you want to see the ticker symbol in which they're talking about, this one, FICO, RCAT, SAP, CRDO. You can keep scrolling down. There's Apple, there's IBM, Adobe, etc. And then you can go ahead and make your decision that way on whether or not you want to invest in the companies that are mentioned. So very simple, very straightforward. But this is how to find tech stocks to invest in on Seeking Alpha. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.